So this video is about making shamanic drums. I actually made a few, then invited somebody up to actually help make some, and allowed them to have a go as I showed them what to do. So here we go. We have I soaked all my own skins and hides actually, and cut them to shape, and then, as you can see here, to mark out where to punch the holes by finding the centre line before we didn't have, and then use the punch on a bit of wood to actually do so. So basically you fold down the centre line, you fold in the halves, you fold in the quarters, you fold in the eighths, and that will help you mark where all the holes have to go. So as you can see here, we've got a lot more holes in, all punched in, and then you then double up the holes, so you have 2 holes in each section of where the hole is. Obviously you can get different size punches as well for different size holes, and the bigger the hole, it's a bit easier to thread through the leather braiding afterwards. You can also use string and ropes and cords and different things as well. We'll get to the braiding bit, but as you can see, here's the close-up of my friend doing the actual hole punch. And this is where we now started to put all the leather braiding through, and the actual hide. I actually bought the hide separately to the actual drum head, but you can actually sort of, if you have your own hide and you're cutting from scratch, you cut the hide and you cut the braiding from the same hide. So it's important here to keep it moist, to stop it from drying out, so the water's going on, and you're just sort of threading it through. And then this is the finishing touches when you're making the handle. There you go, you get your cross in the centre, and then you have to get it all folded down to actually dry nicely, and the pegs there keep the hide from going upwards, to keep it nice and flat to the surface, to the rim. And then it'll end up drying overnight. Take the pegs off and you get your completed drum. And then when it's fully dry, it ends up looking like this.